Okay, well, looks to be working. Let's write some code, shall we? Okay, get record from form with key takes. You know what? I think I actually want this to be the same thing. Actually, yeah, we need to do the search. So let managed field records equal actually we just do let's search criteria field ID and then the form ID. We log that. We get the current records because that's going to return that, which means actually we can get rid of you. Boop. And then we actually do the same thing here. Where if managed field record define record, and then you're actually going to be that. You're going to be the 0th element in the list, and you're going to have an error, and then I'm going to return that value. Can't declare a variable twice. That line, we can get rid of that. Run, that looks good. Okay. Set field value true, get field value undefined. That's because rollups doesn't have a value. Script manager. Form logger. Script console. Sample form. Okay. It's a text field anyway. You're a number. Get field value undefined. Oh, that's an interesting one. Let's cache this so that we're not doing this a bajillion times. Target record dot that, target record dot that, and then, and now, console.log json dot stringify target record fields, I think, is what that is. Target record dot get form named. Oh, yeah, okay. Undefined. That's not what we expected. Undefined is not a function. Equal that. Records dot length. It should be 387, and then target record has a value. Oh, okay, that would do it. This is a variable, not a string, which is why Tapforms is saying it's not valid. Hey Phoebe, how are you, Phoebe? I didn't realize you followed me, Phoebe. How have you been? Just writing some code. Trying to build something brand new. Okay, so that did something. Okay, so I think we need to do document this. Mouth open. This is not the matrix. This is Tapforms 5 for iOS and Mac. Currently on iOS. I am not Neo though, unfortunately. Because Neo has a Trinity, and you know, who wouldn't want a Trinity? Target form. Okay, so target form dot set manage field configuration. Are we winning the game? I think so. We are winning something. Let's just do log. Everyone wants a log. What rolls downstairs, alone or in pairs? Okay, let's see what that sounds like. That's one less filter in the loop. Okay, run that. Cannot find variable FC form. Okay, FC form is get form name manage field configuration. Field config is not installed. What's Fooby up to this evening or morning? Maybe it's a morning for Fooby. FC form not defined. That's annoying. Oh, it's here. Because I need to do this and that. Okay, we're gonna have to refactor this. Fooby nap time, that makes sense. It is, God knows what time here, 12:22. I cannot, I mean, I could probably make a kernel panic. I'm not intending to make a kernel panic, not on the iPad anyway. I don't like my kernels panicking. Set field configuration undefined. Well, that doesn't seem right. I mean, obviously we can sys request and just get a panic that way. Set field configuration undefined. Set manage field configuration. Set field configuration. Oh, I don't return a value, do I? Let's. Oh, God. Too late, Fooby. But we can mod you if you want to be a mod. And you can ban the next one. I'm sure there's gonna be a new one soon. Bloody spammers. Everything is in your hands. Hi, I want to offer you promotion of channel, viewers, followers, and views, chatbots. The price is lower than any competitor. The quality is guaranteed to be the best. Auto on, incredibly flexible and convenient auto management panel. Everything is in your hands. Turn it off, on, customize. Go to dogehype.com, that's dogehype.com, and get yourself some followers and a ban from Twitter. Pass. Anyway, I don't return a value, so I should return a value. So we're going to stringify the configuration, and then we'll use that variable here for new config value, and we'll just return new config value, and that will allow that debug to do what we want, which is set field configuration log. Very good. Okay, and new value, let's do, can I do new value plus new date? And let's see what that does. Get field value, new value. Okay, that worked. This didn't though, because we didn't have a result there. So let's go fix that. Field configuration. Yeah, we didn't get actually a field configuration, which means we're not actually creating a new matching entry. Oh, you know what we need to do? When we create a new managed field record, we need to set the creation form field ID to be the ID of the current form, and then we need to set the field configuration spelling field ID to be the field ID of the field that we're creating. Field ID capital D run okie dokie, and then set manage field value, get field config for form slash field ID. Search criteria is field form field. Get records from form matching search. Okie dokie. That doesn't feel like it's actually creating anything in our managed field configuration. Why are you not creating anything? Okay. This doesn't make sense. You're not creating a record here. Right. New, no records. Do I have? No, wrong thing. Do we have run script? Manage. Okay, that makes sense. Add record to form is not erroring. Okay, let's do manage field record. Run. Okay, let's get rid of some lines. Let's get rid of that. We'll keep the target record because that shows that we maybe got something. Let's not stringify. Let's just output it raw. Actually, get records from form, matching search, return nothing. We got a tier form entry back. And we try to set a value, set the value. Then when we try to get the value back, it didn't actually save the record. Okay, what is this in this context? This is the form. This, add new record. Foobie, why isn't this working? Get fields, maybe? See what that does. Get fields is not a defined function. Managed. Okay. Managed field record dot get fields is not a function. But it is. Or at least I think it is. Is it just dot fields? Or something like that? Let's see. Let's look at the documentation for a record, and it is dot values. Okay, that would make sense. Get fields is a form function, but when it comes down to the record, it's in fact values. So, manage field object, we get an object back, that makes sense. So we need to stringify you. Okay. 419 Field 419. Field 419 is... Oh, I see what's happening. No, we're adding this. This.add new record is the wrong thing because that is the form that we're currently in. FC form.add new record. Let's try that. We're getting somewhere. Okay. Undefined is not an object. Evaluating configurations 1, get fill value. Configurations 1 sounds wrong because that should always probably be configurations 0. This is not Greek, this is JavaScript. The language of the web. Almost everything on the web is in JavaScript. And also this application. There we go. Evaluating candidate record. Booyah! That looks like it's actually working. Matched. That's wrong, but that's okay because... defective configuration log. Set fill value was false. Sweet. I am not a Brit. I am an Australian. Like a British person, but exiled. So far, far away. But I've also lived a decade in America, so I speak a little bit like an American. $130. So what? William Strine? Australian, yes. I am Australian. Australia. Kitto, catto, dom, aragatto. Okay, what are we up to now? So now we need to do if not field configuration or empty field configuration. No, or field configuration dot length equals 0. So if it had a value or if the value is not empty, we want to fall back. Foobie have to go bed. Well, I mean, that makes sense. You should definitely go to bed. It's, what did you say, 1:37 in the morning? It is definitely sleep time. For me, I am 12:37. I'm in California. So I might be an Australian, but I live in California. Anyway, you should go sleep. Sleep is good. Thank you for popping in and saying hi, Foobie. Let's do this. Happy Monday. Am it over? No, we keep going. I'll probably go for another 20 minutes. See if I can get this working. What did I call it before? Config of field configuration? Config. Switch. Config. Case. Log. let's do log. Update later, and then we'll do update earlier, and then if we need to update the field value, or should I invert that? Let's do this. Then we need to do dot set field value. Okay, so if we're doing just a logging operation, we don't need to, you know what, we're gonna have to save this, and then let's go to our form logger, and we'll run this because we need the configuration for, not this, our managed field log. Let's copy that, and that. And we'll throw that in here. You know what? Technically, I guess I don't need the get by name. I can do it by ID. Anyway, case log. Everyone wants a log. Let old value equals this dot get field value, field ID, and then let log record equal document.get form named what did I call it? Managed field log dot add new record and then log record dot set field values. We need form ID, field ID, previous value, new value. Let's just copy this and we'll pull it down here. Form ID is going to be this dot get ID because it's the form we're currently operating on. Yes. Oh no, this is a record. So we need the forms ID, and then for the field we need the field ID that the user gave us. The timestamp will automatically be set, so we don't need to set that. And the new value is going to be the value that we were given, which is value. And then the old value is json.stringify old value. Commas. Trailing comma should be okay there. And then we need to do a document save all changes to make sure that our log entry gets set. Okay. Unexpected : because we messed that one up. Wait, what did we do wrong here? Line 152. Oh, I know. Okay, let's see if. Oh, what is? Oh, no. This should be a curly brace because this is an object, not an array. So we need to make that an object, not an array. Okay, look at that. It ran. Sweet. Okie dokie. So that just created an entry, I think. Okay, that should have created a record here. It did. The previous value was that, the new value was this. That actually worked properly. Sweet. That means we only have to do one more thing, which is not that. We need to edit the script. Manage fields. So set manage field configuration works. Get manage field configuration works. Set manage field value doesn't work. Okay, so we need to change the implementation of this to be break. This dot get field value. Let's just do current value, and then this is going to be current value. Okay. And then for this, if current value, so update later will update the field if it is a later value. So if current value is value is greater than the current value. Actually, let's do that. If the value is less than that, then update field value equals true, false. If the value is greater than the current value, if the value is greater than the current value, update the field. Wontons? What sort of wontons? Wonton, like wonton noodle soup? Love wonton noodle soup. I was in Singapore no, I've been in Singapore 3 times this year. Had all sorts of wonton soup there as well. Noodle soup. It was very, very nice. Wonton, noodles, soup. What more can you want in a food? Just the wonton and the soup. That's still good. This might actually be done. This might actually do what it says on the tin. crazy idea. But Fooby, I think it might just work. What do you think? Save. Manage field log. 34 to 45. 45 to 49.40. Timestamps. Match. Why wonton soup? What brings you to wonton soup? Can Pasamio put wonton soup in code? I don't know how you would put wonton soup in code. Though we can create a recipe for wonton soup, I guess, and then that could be a coded thing. That might work. But otherwise, no, I don't think I can code a wonton soup right now. I think this might be done. Define wonton int. Wonton's more than just an int. Besides, it's C. I see what you did there. Oh, that's so bad. Okay. If what's the guard we want to have on this? Save and get record from form with key. Oh, you know what? The profiler has if profiler undefined, yada yada yada. Type of parent script undefined. Oh, you know what? I should put that inside if profiler that will probably prevent it from double executing. Type def wonton. I mean, we can create a wonton. Let's do a wonton. Why not? That's a name for your script. Wonton. Replace with your thing. Hello world. No, it's hello wonton. Run. Hello wonton. Okay. I don't know. What are we gonna do with our wonton? What wonton equal soup? True. Ingredients? Ingredients. Okay, spelling. I'm not gonna do a quick sort. What is it in? What is in the wonton? Pastry? Some sort of meat. I don't really need that there. If we're gonna have that dumpling. Well, a wonton sort of is the dumpling. Right, like the wonton in the wonton soup is the dumpling, wonton dumpling. Anyway, this might actually be done. Okay, so What is it? Type of parent. Is that going to do what I think it should do? That's far too much noise. We're logging something somewhere we really don't need to. However, that's not what we're worried about today. What do we want to do next? We need to update all of the shipping stuff. We need to actually update the records to do the thing. That sounds like a great adventure for another day. Well, Phoebe, thanks for coming to join. Good to see you. Class wonton. No more wontons. Full. Cannot do the wontons anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you for coming. Happy Monday. Happy tap formsing. It am over. I actually set out what I wanted to achieve. It only took me 40 minutes. I wanted to figure out how to get this thing to work. But yes, hug Phoebe. Bye Phoebe. Enjoy the sleeps. Bye bye.